Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yazzy.B here. So I know it's been a couple of weeks since I've uploaded any tutorials, but I'm back with this 90s vibes, with the dark lips, the winged liner, the lovely ombre hair. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, guys, please stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And thank you so much for your support. And I hope you guys are keeping safe and are feeling loved, and just please stay tuned. Thank you. Bye. Mwah. Hi guys, so for the base, I'm starting off by using the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Chocolate. And so I'm just blending that in using the Real Techniques concealer brush, just so it blends out evenly on the eyelids. So for the eyeshadow palette, I'll go in using the Tilbury, the Dolte Vita Luxury Palette Colour Coded Eyeshadows, and I'm using the Prime Base Colour first of all. As you can see, it's sort of this silvery creamy base, which I absolutely love. So the next shade I'm using is the Enhanced shade, part of the Tilbury eyeshadow palette, and it's this lovely berry shade. So I'm just going in, swiping it along the base of my eyelids. So if you don't already know, I'm using this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlight Duo palette, and it's in the shade Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. I'm going ahead using Moscow Mule just to really intensify the eyelids. So to really give it that smoky look, I'm going in using the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami, which is a very deep red brown, and it's really just going to intensify the golden colour on my eyelids. So I've already added the foundation on my face using the Fenty Beauty Hydration Foundation in the shade 450. So for concealer, I'm using the 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer by MAC Cosmetics. Now, if you've seen my other videos, now you know I love using the Fenty Beauty Hydration Concealer in the shade 430, but I thought, you know what, let me go for something different just to see how it actually looks on my face again, as I've actually forgotten, and you know what, it actually came out pretty well. So to set the concealed areas, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Baking Powder in the shade Terracotta, and I'm just swiping it underneath the eyes and around the edge of the nose where I've used the concealer. To set the foundation areas, I'm going in using the MAC Cosmetics Skin Mineralizer in the shade Dark Deep. Now to really intensify my face, I'm going in using the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami, as it's such a beautiful bronzer and it really makes my skin look lovely and warm. Honestly, it's so great. And I'm just gliding it on my cheekbones, forehead, underneath my chin. Now for the extra highlighter, to really make my face pop, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule highlighter, the same highlighter I used on my eyelids. As I've done my liner and added eyelashes off camera, I'm going in using the bronzer Mocha Mami just underneath my eyes, just to make it blend in more with the eyeshadow on my eyelids. So to set my face, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh Fixing Spray. Now to really give it that 90s look, I'm going in using the lip pencil from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Nightmoth. Now I'm applying that around my lips just to intensify it when I'm adding the lipstick. Now if you don't know, the 90s was a lot about having dark lip liner, so the lipstick I'm using is this lovely brown pinky nude colour, which I absolutely love, which is called Persistence from MAC Cosmetics, and it's matte shade. And I'm just applying that on my lips, going back and forth about 3 times just to really enhance the nudie brown pink colour. So to give it that ombre effect, I'm using the Sleek Cosmetics Matte Me Lip Cream lipstick in the shade Birthday Suit, which is a much lighter nude colour, which is going to give it that beautiful 90s ombre look. So I'm just going in, applying that in the middle of my lips. So for lip gloss, I'm using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Hot Chocolate, which is a lovely brown colour, and I'm using that to just morph everything in. So going in, I'm using the lip pencil again just to create this look, just to kind of make it look a little bit more better and to just morph into each other. So guys, if you don't know, yes, Fenty Beauty came out with a brand new body lava in the shade Cognac Candy, and I'm just applying that on my chest just to give me a lovely bronzy effect. So I'm using a flat fluffy like kabuki star brush just to really blend the body lava out, and it gives it such a great effect, especially when you're in the sun. Like, it just makes your skin glow, girl. So guys, like, give me tips, like what other videos would you like to see? Would you like to see like 80s inspired or more lookbooks? Like, guys, just let me know. Like, I really enjoyed filming this video. Like, it took me back to like old school 90s queens. Like, let me know, guys. And this is the finished look. All products used in this video will be listed below, guys. So if you want to know where I got them from, I'll list them below. If you like the hair, I'll also list the hair below as well. Feel free to comment on the video and what you liked. And guys, thank you so much for your support. And I absolutely love and adore you guys. Love you all, and take care and keep safe. Bye guys. Mwah.